Hello everyone, my name is Arslan Aziz and I'm from Pakistan. I'm done my bachelor degree from Punjab University of Lahore in GIS, Geographical Information System. Now currently I'm studying at Ravensbourne University in London, and my course is MSc Project Management, and my module name is Sustainable Project Management. Today I would like to talk about my assignment and also my PPT in Power Charge. My assignment name is Empower Charge, a solar powered portable charging solution for rural education access. Firstly, I would like to talk about the subject overview. Firstly, I would like to talk about the economic sustainability. Economic sustainability means focuses on delivering a long-term economic values, ensure the project and is financially viable and contributes to economic developments. Involvement involve budget cost, resource efficiency, and value creation for stakeholders. The secondly is environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability aims to minimize the environmental impact in sustainable project management, promotes eco-friendly practices like reducing carbon footprint, energy consumption, and waste, encourage the use of renewable resources, and environmental risk assessment during the project life cycle. The third pillar of sustainable project management is social sustainability. Ensures the project is ethically and socially responsible, focuses on well-being all stakeholders including workers, communities, and customers. Involve fair labor practices, stakeholder engagement, diversity, and respect for human rights. And then I would like in this slide my focused on project overview. The project overview is the main point is the challenges, the solution in Power Charge, ESG alignment, environmental impact, social impact, and governance. And the last point is SDG contributions. The challenges is the rural students take millions and are not able to enjoy steady electricity, thereby restricting access to digital education. Such a digital divide slows down academic and increases social economic disparities. Uh, the solution Empower Charge is a solar powered of grid friendly portable charger intended to supply of grid learning facilities. It is made using 80% recyclable content, durable, low cost, and may be designed to suit served students in some regions. And ESG alignments are based mainly based on three things: environmental, social, and governance. Environmental impact is 100% solar charging, recyclable components, reduce emissions. Uh, Social is the second one is social. It improves education access, sports, gender equity, and community empowerment. The next point is governance, ethical procurement, transparent partnerships, and stakeholder engagements. SDG contribution means sports, SDG 4 quality education, SDG 7 clean energy, SDG 13 is climate action. Empower Charge embodies a scalable and sustainable response to the intersection of education, energy, and equity. The next point is in this next slide is objective and key deliverables. The first point is key project objectives. The second one is key deliverables. The first point is project objectives. In project objective, present of grid electricity, a clean energy source that that the students can be used in the countryside to learn using digital technologies. Facilities access to education by creating equality in access to energy. Lessen environmental footprint by means of circular product development as well as renewable electricity. Help stakeholders gain ownership of the community by involving them in the process and training them. And the next point is key deliverables. Empower Charger prototype, a fully functioning a solar power charging stations tailored to the needs of the students. ESG suppliers assessment matrix. In this matrix, in order to maintain ethical, environmental friendly suppliers and relationships. And the next point is stakeholders engagement plans. In this stakeholders engagement plan, the system of cooperations with NGOs, schools, and local authorities life cycle in local and local authorities. In life cycle analysis report, register environmental records path through through disposable stages. KPI dashboards. Real-time KPI dashboard is environmental, social, and governance performances. Empower Charge deliverables reflect its core mission, enabling inclusive education through sustainable empowered charging innovation. Now I would like to talk about the methodology and digital tools of this project. Project methodology is Empower Charge supplies a structured yet adaptive approach using established sustainability and project management frameworks. Guides environmental performance and compliance. Ensure sustainable project governance, planning, and control. Informs sustainable procurement strategies, especially supplies evaluation. The second one is digital tools used. ClickUp, Power BI, OpenLCA, and Google Forms. These tools enhances traceability, transparency, and continuous improvement throughout the project. This one is process mapping. The first one is the digital project management tool. The second one is the core process and sub processes. The third one is sequence and interaction of processes. The fourth one is sustainability in interaction points, integration points. The fifth one is the decision points or gateways. The second one, process mapping, is stakeholders and rules. The seventh one is a touch point and interactions. The eighth one is critical touch points. The last one, process mapping, is a measurable target or benchmarks. Now I would like to talk about the core processes and workflow. The core processes is core project workflow, concept and product designs, and the sustainable procurement and sustain supplier evaluation, stakeholder training and community engagement. Pilot development, monitoring and evaluation, workflow integration. The core project workflow is Empower Charger Flow, the structured process and that ensures the sustainability and embedded at every stage. The flow progress through key phases, five different key phases. The concept and product design. Um, The third one is sustainable procurement and supplier evaluation to more sustainable and responsible approaches toward procurement and supply evaluation ethically with the focus on a local and low impact suppliers in compliance with ISO 20400 standard. Stakeholder training and community engagement. These provisions will include capacity building trainings, sessions, NGOs, and school as well as school ambassadors. The pilot development, deployment, dispatch of the units to choose a rural schools, the technical support and live tracking of the usage strategy, monitoring, evaluation, and also workflow integration. Now is the next part of this assignment is sustainability integration. In this process, we also focus on a life cycle, like a life cycle diagram, like environmental compliance, social sustainability, governance and ethics, circular economy focuses, and the last one is alignment with SDGs. In environmental sustainability, we used material used, energy source, design for disassembly. In the social sustainability, I used equitable access, community involvement, digital inclusion. In the governance and ethics, I used sustainability, procurement, transparency, and fairness. And in the circular economy focuses, I just focus on return units or damaged parts are either repurposed or recycled. In the aligned with SDGs, direct contributions to quality education, affordable and clean energy, climate actions. The key decision points, gateways, supplies. The number one is suppliers approval, design finalization, stakeholders commitments, development green light, performance evaluation threshold. The last one is each gateway is designed to reduce risk, ensure as ESG compliance, maintain alignment with sustainability goals, and enable early intervention of issues arise. Now I would like to explain the stakeholder and role. Firstly, funding partners. The next of this process is student and families. The NGOs and schools, suppliers responsible, project teams, um, and also I show the chart of the stakeholder and roles. Funding partners, suppliers and manufacturers. Um, when we go through the suppliers and manufacturers, we will become at the local government, energy and departure. And also one more related thing to suppliers and manufacturer, project team and engineers. And the next part of this chart is NGOs and local schools, and rural students and families, and these all the loops of this flow chart. And the touch point and interactions in this slide, there are some touch points and interactions between students and NGOs and suppliers and the project teams, and also interaction enable problem solving contributions, improvement. These slides shows the monitoring and sustainability KPIs. a list of transparent KPIs in applied to determine the environmental, social, and governance performed to achieve the traceable progress. In this slide, also I focused on 4 points. 4 major points is environmental metrics, social metrics, governance metrics, and monitoring tools. In the environmental metrics, 80% of materials are recyclable, and in social metrics, the 500 students reached during the pilot. Improvement in the school attendance based on NGO data. Now, 50% of the beneficiaries are female. Government metrics, all suppliers have 70% or more compliance score on ESG stakeholders meetings. Monitoring tools like real-time dashboards for KPI tracking, open LCA. LCA stands for life cycle emissions, and also life cycle emissions and material analysis. The next slide is about related to life cycle analysis overview. In this slide, Empower Charger applies the life cycle analysis to assess the environmental, social, economic impacts of the product from cradle to grave. LCS stages and focus areas, raw materials and manufacturing, distributions, usage, end of life. And the next point is key metrics tracked. Target life cycle emissions, the portion of material that can be recycled or reused is 90%. The next point is tool and standard used. Open LCM of modeling life cycle impacts and aligned with the ISO form 14004 O divided by 44 environmental management standards. The last slide of my presentation is conclusion. Empower Charger offers a sustainable, scalable, and socially responsible for solution energy. The last slide of my presentation is here are some references are related to my data and also related to my work, and that's all. Everything is I'm explaining in this video, and also I also explained everything related to this these references. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye bye.